Hi guys, this one is going to be like no other on my channel. It is not an aircraft, it is not plastic. The idea is to complete a hangar diorama with the A-10C Thunderbolt in it, and this little resin lift truck from ResKit will be delivering a targeting pod for the aircraft. That is the idea, so let's get things started. First, let me show you quickly what is in this small box. It is full of stuff including resin-printed parts, decals, and instructions. The first step will be to remove protection and somehow cut the part out of it. For me, the best tool to do this is a mini saw. Resin can be tricky, and if I'm not careful, I may knock off or break small elements, so I work slowly to make sure I do not damage the parts. Next, I sand down bigger surfaces to prepare parts for primer. With Mr. Hobby Paints, I paint all elements. For small elements, I paint with a brush. This vehicle is widely used, and luckily there are plenty of photos available, which is great as the instructions do not give any hint of colors to paint details. I add aluminum foil to imitate the chrome hydraulics of the lift. It is not visible when the model is done, but as it is a quick improvement, I do it anyway. To join elements, I use CA glue. Regular glue for plastic does not work with the resin. For those of you who know my channel, this candle will look familiar. For new joiners, I put a few drops of the CA glue on wax because this way the glue does not dry and I can use it for extended time. The front cover has a gap between the parts. To fill it, I use Tamiya white putty. When it is dry, I carefully sand it down and paint the spot again. Now you see me preparing for the decal application. I use a microset solution to set the decal. Later, to help the decal stick nicely to the surface, I soft it with microsol. Brown wash will highlight details and add some dirty grime look to the panel edges. I remove the excess with a white spirit. A gloss varnish can imitate the glass on the dials. For small elements like the steering wheel, I add on CA glue. Front wheels and driver's seat snap in without glue. And this little one is ready. But before the final gallery, I want to say a big thank you to my friend Darren, who inspired this build and the whole diorama project that will be shared soon. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like the content, and stay tuned to see how I'm going to use this little model together with the A10C Thunderbolt. Take care and see you next time.